Lanpao Yulu Paper Company Limited, founded in 2014, focused on office paper production. The factory area is more than 28,000 square meters and has 51 skilled workers. It's located at the Industrial Gather District, Lankao City, Henan Province, China, enjoying a good production and operation environment. 1.5 kilometers away from Lankao High-Speed Railway Station and 70 kilometers from Xinjiang Airport, so it has convenient traffic conditions. Yulu Paper is professional manufacturer engaged in the production, sale and service of carbonless paper, computer paper, thermal paper, color paper, sticker label, notebook, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. In recent years, our company has invested in purchasing a series of advanced mechanical equipment, formed an advanced production line. Our raw paper comes from famous raw paper factory in China. The quality is stable and durable. In addition, our factory had obtained ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001 certificates. After years of business developing, we have developed a strong customer base. More than 300 dealers and OEM customers all over Chinese provinces and cities. Besides, our products are also exported to clients in many countries such as United States, United Kingdom, Uruguay, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Afghanistan, Uganda, Malaysia, Myanmar, Cambodia. Welcome to visit our factory. We will take you to check every production line and production skills deeply. Let's dig a good market together.